So now I'm going to tell you our bonus activity for this lesson. You are going to make can you guess that picture? Dragon! Yes, you're going to make your own dragon. And you have 3 options, okay? Or you have 3 ways. You can choose what kind of dragon you can make. First is this dragon. This paper dragon. Okay? I'm going to send you a copy of the template. You just need to print and color the head. Use a colored paper for the body. And the tail is there too. The arms and the legs are there too. And you just need a straw or a colored pencil or a pencil or a pen. You can use your things as sticks. Okay, so that's the first dragon you can make. Next is this kind of dragon made out of boxes. So you can use old boxes that you have at home and some colored papers and glue and scissors. Of course, you have to ask your mom or dad to help you, or your brother or your sister. Don't do it alone, okay? Be careful with scissors, right? Okay, so you can use old boxes that you have at home. For this dragon, I used tissue boxes. So yeah, there's a little heart. Okay, I can send you a template of the arms and the legs. So that's the head, the body. Okay, and the tail. Okay, and the third dragon you can make is a drawing. You can draw a dragon if you don't have a printer or if you don't have any boxes in your home. You can draw a dragon and take a photo of your dragon and send it to us. Or take a video of yourself talking about your dragon on Flipgrid. Okay? Right. Thank you so much. I hope you have fun making your own dragon. Goodbye and see you next time. Bye. Have a great day.